Assalamu alaikum, Huzoor.
वालेकुम सलाम मौलवी अतार साहब.
Huzoor, my wife recently is in the midst of setting up an eco-friendly, sustainable business. My dear Huzoor, what advice will you have for her or for any of our Jamaat members who are thinking of exploring into setting up their own business?
Mashallah, if she is setting up her own business of the eco-friendly and sustainable business, then it is good. What type of things she is going to do in the business?
She's planning to sell organic kids clothing.
Kids' clothing, so made of
Yes, Huzoor.
handmade cloths.
Organic, Huzoor.
Organic. Where would you get organic yarn?
I don't meddle with her business. So I'm not really sure, but I think this is
Nowadays,
biodegradable.
see, if you are using some synthetic fiber, then it is not organic. If you are using cotton, that can be organic, but how can you be sure that it is organic cotton? No insecticide, no inorganic fertilizer, synthetic fertilizer or spray have been used on the cotton crop. Nowadays, no farmer can afford to grow their cotton without using this type of chemicals on their crops. So, but if she gets it, it will be very expensive. And if it is very expensive, then it will not be affordable by the people, for the people, right? So, I don't know, it is a good business, but she should also try to find out and see the complete feasibility of it, whether this business will be profitable or not, feasible or not.
Yes, Huzoor.
Okay? Right.
Jazakallah.